Want to turn your passion for drawing into a full-time career? Discover our courses at Brushcamp where you become a master in the realm of digital painting. Brushcamp offers tons of similar courses in illustration, 2D, 3D design. Level up your creativity with free knowledge and courses. Visit brushcamp.com today and explore endless possibilities.
Hello everyone and welcome lesson 6. We will learn about the fill and stroke tool. What is fill and stroke? I will have a picture to make it easier for you to understand. I will have a picture like that. Like this. The blue color in here is fill. And the pink outside is stroke. It shows up into places. One place is here and other one is this place. You can easily manipulate this tool and also in the color palette. It is arranged in so many places so that you can conveniently use it to help you manipulate faster in the process of working. For this fill, it is currently the cell that is on. The stroke is the one below. Its keyboard shortcut is X. As you can see, in the trailer you can press it to reverse the two positions. Press this arrow button to be able to reverse two positions. Its keyboard shortcut is Shift plus X, so that you can reverse the to fill and stroke. How can you change the color of to fill and stroke? Click here. To change its color. Like this. Click here to change its color. Like this. Similar to stroke. You will click on it to make it float on top. Just now, the fillet was above that. You can change its color. And if you want to change the stroke color, you have to click on it so it's on top to change its color. For example, I changed it to black. When you want to change operations faster, its keyboard shortcut is X. Press X to change color. For example, you are using and see it as fill and want to change it to stroke. You change the stroke and it's up, and then you click on it to change color. Like this. Fill and stroke. You can also change the color of it here. This is fill, and here is stroke. It's also very easy to understand. You can change its color. Here too, we will learn more about the stroke tool. I already talked about all things fill and stroke. I will talk more about the stroke panel. It's here. Stroke will have its own customizations. I will introduce to you. First of all, cap is these heads guys. Looking at cap's icon you can see it has this round as its point and this line looks like my picture. It's like how we draw here. Where this point is, its head is right there. We will try to change to other caps. This is round cap. As you can see, here is projecting cap. It takes one more paragraph to finish. Its end point is here but its head has to be extended by a bit. It's almost the same as this, but where the butt cap ends, it'll end right there. As for projecting cap, there will be an extra paragraph left. You can test the passages below. Right here. Select round cap. Here too. Like this. I will talk about corner. This is the corner and this is its base mold. It will be round again. As you can see, our corners are rounder. Next is to choose the flap to make it square. You can easily see. Next is the line stroke tool. When you choose to increase or decrease, then it will be even bigger. It's because of the customization here. Now I want to put it big inside. That means the line it's out there. And when you customize the size, it will increase and decrease on the inside, like this. A line stroke outside it is the opposite of a line stroke inside. It will grow outside. When you increase and decrease it will get bigger. I will show you another feature that is dash line. When you click here, You can see that dash is the length of such a small line. When we increase dash, this will decrease. If you click reduce, it will have more. I'll increase it a little. Gap is distance, space here. If you let the distance be small or equal to 0, then these lines will stick together. As you increase it, these distances will increase. These lines will be smaller, less. You can do the same with the second and third sets. You can continue to create a second small line. Create a second, third gap. This effect is often used with this round cap. When you combine it with round cap, it will create a very good effect. For example, I reduce dash to make it smaller, and when I increase the gap, you can see that you have a line with these dots. I will edit it. Like this. It has such round dots. You can apply it to this picture. Does your image have the right stroke? Enter the stroke and increase the dash line. You put it in center. Either put it inside or outside. It's up to you. Here too. You turn on this dash line. It has two modes. Once it goes straight naturally, the other is it will always be square at this angle. If you want more of these round points, then you guys reduce this gap. Reducing the distance, then of course it will have more of these round points, and when you increase the distance, it will be less. It will be up to you to customize. It comes with this cap. Because this point is ahead, people often adjust with cap. Quite interesting. That's all I want to say about this fill and stroke. Stroke has some customizations here too. Its line form. I will turn off the dashed line to make it easier to see. A stroke, it has many functions. In addition to what I just instructed, it also has custom lengths. It will have custom thickness. You can try it out. For this one, we can completely edit it manually with the width tool. The width tool is here. Its keyboard shortcut is Shift+W. Press Shift+W. It will show this tool and you select a point on the line you want. It will show a plus sign and you drag. You can make it bigger or smaller. You can make it bigger or smaller. Here too. You can keep it here and drag to the part you want. It's still a stroke, but it has such an effect. Depending on the case, you can create these shapes and depending on your intentions. This stroke can also be combined with some brushes. I will choose this brush. It will add the brush to our stroke. Or any other brush. That's all I want to say about fill and stroke. Thank you and goodbye everyone.
Please like and subscribe to our channel.